Hello Naturals Fam, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kate and this is Candid Naturals. In our today's video, I'm showing how I make my Liwa Paste mask. So I'm only using two products, that is Liwa and Rosewater, and some mixing bowl and scooping spoons. So I'm going to scoop a teaspoon, or rather a spoonful of Liwa, and add some little rose water to make the paste. To make the paste, make sure that it is in yogurt consistency, like, to make sure that it is not too runny or too heavy to spread on the skin. So just to mention some benefits of using Liwa powder on the face. It soothes pimples and acne. If you have that stubborn acne and pimples, after using the powder, or rather the paste, you can feel the face in a soothing state. It also clears blemishes and rashes. Currently I have some rashes and dark marks on my face, and it is doing a great job. So again, it manages excessive sebum on the face, especially if you have oily skin. It is going to help balance with the sebum secretion to make sure that it is not as excessive as it can be without masking. It also brightens and gives an even skin tone, especially if you're dealing with dark marks or any other kind of hyperpigmentation. It is going to even out your skin, giving a one-tone skin. It also gives that glow because it also exfoliates as it dries. It has that tight feeling as it dries, so it is able to exfoliate your skin, enhancing cell renewal as our skin renews itself. But now as we age, the renewal process slows down. So using this mask is going to help you with cell renewal, making sure that you have that glowing and glossy skin. So it is some minutes later, like 5 minutes, it has already started drying. So when it is dry, I rinse out, and here I am. So the next thing to go with, I had a lipso. So the next thing to go in with is a toner. In this case, I'm using a rose water. I'm going to spritz it on my face, and then afterwards I'm going to seal in moisture using this brightening whipped body butter. It is great when it comes to brightening, when it comes to glowing. It helps with dark marks, with hyperpigmentation, like the combo of the Liwa and the body butter. It's great. So the next thing I do is tap the rose water in the skin and just let it air dry. All right, and before it completely dries, it's now when I'm going in with the butter. All right, it is the same butter that I use on my body, as my skin is the dry type. So it is a navy butter that is good, and I can recommend for anyone with dry skin. If you have like oily skin, I can't recommend it because it is heavy and your skin is already producing excess oil. So if you use it, it's going to clog your skin pores. You need a lighter moisturizer. So I go in with the moisturizer, massaging it outwardly. All right, so you can see I'm applying, and then I go in some outward motions. So I extend also the same butter to my neck. I usually treat my neck as an extension of my face. So anything that goes to my face, it also goes to my neck. Normally I would apply the mask also on my neck, but for the purpose of the video, I just did on my face. All right. So it is a simple skincare steps that includes 4 products, that is 4 steps. The powder I usually do 2 to 3 times in a week, mostly 2 times, but the rest is a daily routine. All right. So up to this point, I'm grateful that you've watched to this far. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, kindly consider subscribing. Thank you so much and goodbye. See you in the